Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.27 and a momentum spike of plus 0.53 in the finance sector, which is unusually high compared to our historical baseline. This suggests that there's a significant shift in market sentiment that you can't ignore. Our API processes this data and returns actionable insights, including sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and classified semantic clusters, so you can make informed decisions. Imagine using this to identify emerging trends in financial sentiment. For instance, you could integrate this data into your trading algorithms to optimize entry and exit points based on real-time sentiment shifts. To dive deeper and see how you can leverage this for your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.